exercise 8.4, question number 5, ninth part, in which we have to prove that cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. And we have to solve both the sides, both the parts, LHS and RHS separately. So first we will solve the LHS part. You can solve RHS also as per your choice. We have cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A is our left hand side part. We will convert cosec and sec in terms of sin and cos. So cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A, reciprocal, minus sin A as it is. Sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A minus cos A as it is. Now if you will take the LCM of this part, the LCM is sin A, and in numerator you will get 1 minus sin square A. Also here the LCM is cos A, and in numerator you will get 1 minus cos square A. Now we know that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A upon sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A upon cos A. So because of this, cos will cancel the square and sin will cancel the square. So what is left is sin A into cos A. Let this be first equation. Now in second part we are given 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Now here we will convert tan and cot both in terms of sin and cos. So tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A plus cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. That is equal to 1 upon. We will take the LCM of this part, denominator part, and the LCM will be equal to cos A into sin A. So sin A into sin A becomes sin square A plus cos A into cos A becomes cos square A. That is equal to 1 upon sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 upon cos A into sin A. Now 1 upon cos A sin A will become reciprocal, and cos A into sin A will go up. Let this be your second part, second equation. Now by equation number 1 and equation number 2, if you observe them, you will find that sin A into cos A and cos A into sin A are same in equation number 1 and 2. Therefore, the left hand side is equal to right hand side as proved.